Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this 4K quality on CapCut. So we are going to select the adjustment and we are going to select the graphs, and we're going to move everything to the right like this, to the right, and this one up here, oops, like that, just to all of the colors till you get something like this. Once you are done, press the checkmark button and then go to effects and add in a blur. So go to video effects and go to lens and add the blur. Press the checkmark button and add it to like the end of your video and adjust the blur to like around 30%ish, like 25 maybe. Then you are going to export that. And once you're done exporting, you're going to overlay the video that you have just exported on top of your original video. So go back and just delete everything, or just press the undo button until you're left with the previous video. Go to overlay and add in that video, adjust it. Go to the the blend button. Sorry, it was called splice like a long time ago. And then you are going to select the burn one and you're going to kind of like adjust it. You don't want it too like dark like that. Maybe like this much. Then you're going to want to overlay a white video. And then go to blend and then select overlay, and you're going to want to adjust that. Oops. Then you're going to select adjustments, like adjust here. And you're going to want to adjust a few things, like brightness. I want it to be like around -5, and then contrast, I want it to be around like 15%. I want the saturation to be -5, and then I want, let's see, highlights to also be -5. Also going to add in this a little bit. And I am going to add in sharpen 100. Then you're going to select filters and you are going to find the high saturation and you're going to add it on top and just adjust it as you go. And that is basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!